Joe Beermaster. Today we have a 2016 Transit 350. This goes for most of your Transits. I'll show you how to change the tail light or to change a bulb if you need to. It's actually pretty simple. Alright, so we're going to open the door, and if you look on the inside here, there's a bolt there and a bolt there. And they are Torx heads. We're going to take that out. That is size T20 Torx. And then here is the new light. You can see there's some push pins that hold it in, and those two Torx heads, and then the socket here. So if you need just to change a bulb, once we get it out, you can spin this out and take the bulb out. So let's get it off. Make sure I don't drop them. Alright, so this one came out very, very easy. We're going to go around the other side. Okay, so we're going to pull it out. Now we're going to change the assembly, so we're going to disconnect this socket by pushing this button. Sometimes you have to pull them, push it and pull it, and that's it. Just push that tab. And if you need to change one of these bulbs for some reason, for example this one, twist it out, and you pull it out like a Christmas socket. And on the bottom of the bulb there's a number, so you can go to your local auto supply and buy one, or you can tell the auto supplier what it's for. If it's for a reverse light, stop light with model vehicle, they will supply it to you. Put it back. You can see there's little cutouts there. You want to match them up. Sometimes it's tough to do, sometimes it's easy to do. But we will get it. Okay, so now we're going to get the new one. This one comes with the bulbs in it already. So all we have to do is put it in and plug it in. So the first thing we want to do is plug it in. Reverse of the way we took it out. Of course it's got guides there. It's got to go in one way. Do you hear that click? I heard the click, but I'm going to make sure. Then we're going to get these push pins into these grommets here. Just a little fitting. Alright, now we're going to come around and put the two screws in. Okay, put them back in. It's always good to test the lights before you put the screws in, but this one's real simple. Not a big deal if we had to take it out again. Alright, so now we're going to test them. Alright, right turn signal. Reverse light. Alright, we're good. Joe Beermaster, I hope this helps. This one is real easy to do. And please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.